Servus and welcome back to the Austrian German tutorial. In this episode, we're going to take a look at the special season in Austria, namely autumn or fall, however you wanna call it. The trees turn colorful and Austrians start talking about Maroni, Sturm und Erntedank. Let's explore 10 typical Austrian words and expressions that you'll hear during autumn time. The first part deals with nature and weather terms. The second part focuses on food and traditions. So let's go. The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn 10 important Austrian German words about autumn or fall. Let's start with the most important word in this context. Herbst. Herbst is the word for autumn or fall in German. This goes for Standard German and for Austrian German as well. In some Austrian dialects, you come across the term Herbst. By the way, this comes from the old German word Herbst, which means harvest, so you see the similarities. Let's take a look at an example. Jetzt ist wieder Herbst means it's autumn again. Jetzt ist wieder Herbst. The second word we cover today has also the word Herbst in it, namely herbsteln. Any idea what herbsteln could mean? Herbsteln is a typical dialect verb. It means to feel like autumn or to start turning into fall. You might hear someone say, Es herbstelt schon, which means you can already autumn coming. The third word on our list is Herbstlaub. Herbstlaub. Any idea? Herbstlaub can be translated as autumn leaves. One leaf is also called Blattl in dialect. Das bunte Herbstlaub can be translated as colorful autumn leaves. If you live in the lowlands, you come across the term Hochnebel. Hochnebel is the Austrian word for high fog, which covers the lowlands while the sun is shining in the mountains. By the way, Nebelsuppe is a funny Austrian way to describe a fog so thick that it looks like a soup. The next word on our list is Waldspaziergang. Waldspaziergang means forest walk. In autumn, Austrians love going for long walks in colorful forests. Locals as well as tourists enjoy this hobby. Now let's start the second part of the video about foods and traditions. And we start with the word Maroni. Any idea? Maroni are roasted chestnuts, sold at street stands all over Austria. Der Maroni-Brater, the Maroni-Broder, the chestnut vendor, is a true symbol of the Austrian autumn. For instance, we can say, Der Maroni-Broder sperrt heute auf. This can be translated as, the chestnut roaster is opening today. Another typical Austrian word is Sturm. Sturm has several meanings, but we'll start with the culinary term. The term Sturm can be translated as young wine or new wine. It's sweet, slightly alcoholic, and seasonal. The other meanings of Sturm are storm in the sense of strong wind, and Sturm Graz, which is a football club in the city of Graz. The next autumn term is another word for something to eat, namely Kürbis. Any wild guess? In the region around Graz, it's very popular. Kürbis means pumpkin and plays an important role for the autumn cuisine. For example, Kürbiscremesuppe, which is pumpkin soup, or Kürbiskernöl, which is pumpkin seed oil. Another important word is Martini-Gansel. Martini-Gansel. Martini-Gansel is the traditional St. Martin's goose, which is eaten in November. On the 11th of November, many children parade with the lanterns to celebrate St. Martin's Day. The next word on our list is Erntedank. Erntedank is Austria's version of Thanksgiving. It's a harvest festival. It is celebrated in churches, with parades and local food. I hope this tutorial helped you to become more familiar with Austrian German words about autumn or fall. If you want to know more about Austrian words, please check out the videos and playlists on my channel. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen, Servus und Baba.